Hi guys, uh, welcome back. Just to update on the current state of the Linux Sling. So currently, it's considered, I think, almost fully, not fully built, almost fully built. Only left the umbilical and the electronics. So this is the current state right now. The dock slide frame is up. The dock slide is also fixed. The belt shouldn't be this way because this I'm using this steel core belt. I think I'm going to change to another belt if I have some spare, or I might have to buy the belts so that it doesn't bend up this way. Using steel core, it tends to bend up this way, so this is the problem with a steel core belt. So we're going to change that. And this is the umbilical hub for the 4 umbilicals. The spool mount is at the back, just a simple setup for a spool mount. This is the original lead screw of the ender, so I've decided to use those. But if you are going to self-source, it's better to have them shorter so that they doesn't protrude out this way. So the spool mount is here like this, so you can just put the spool at the back. Hold on, let me show you an example. This way. Yep. So you can just put the spool at the back this way, so the filament path will go from here up into the PTFE here and to the tool head all down. So you can see the spool down here, right? And the electronics I'm using is still going to be the SKR Mini E3 V3 because that's the one I have. I don't have the money to buy the MCU yet, the one with CAN capable CAN bus on board. This SKR Mini doesn't have CAN bus, so I'm going to be using the U2C still, the U2C, and also this Mellow CAN expander, the 4-port Mellow CAN expander as well, so that easier wiring. And the micro switch is set. So this is the dock slide down here. As you can see, you can move front and back, right? Can move front and back. So this is the dock slide with the 4 docks, the 4 tool head down here. This tool doesn't have the stepper motor yet. Big thanks to LDO for sending over the stepper motors, and also some new rails for me to install on the X, Y, and Z. So I'm waiting for those to arrive before I can set up this tool head. So the other 2 tool head is done here, and I'm still using this small pancake motors. This is the LDO, wait, let me show you, LDO slim powered. Yeah, so LDO slim stepper motors, slim power stepper. It should be sufficient. Previously we are using this and it's enough power because the dock slide goes on the y-axis, so you don't need a lot of torque compared to the one on the VisiBoard and the Voron 2.4, whereby your dock slide will move up and down, so you need more torque. For this you don't need the torque because the dock slide just need to move in front and back this way, right? So it doesn't matter. And the carriage are all set. Like I mentioned, the clicky probe will be on the carriage here. So the clicky probe will have 2 wires down here at the bottom of the bushing, which will connect to the tool head, the bottom 2 dome nuts as well, so that will make the connection for the clicky to the EBB toolboard. And other than that, no other problem. These are just cheap motors that I have here that I use. If this doesn't have power, previously also I'm using this, but if I want slightly more torque, I will have to change these motors. And other than that, it's almost fully built except for the electronics. So we're going to proceed. This is just a quick video to update on the status of this Lineux Sling. So next live stream we will do maybe the electronic section, and then we can proceed to run it and finalize the design and everything. Alright, so thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for the next video. See you guys.